Good morning, students. I, myself, I. K. Misra, your mathematics teacher, once again also came here with taking a video for class 6, chapter 5, fraction. Students, this is the fourth part of the videos. In previous videos, I discussed equivalent fraction, comparing two fractions, and simplest form of the fraction. Today, students, I am going to discuss here like and unlike fractions. How will you change unlike fractions into like fraction? And after that, main things, how will you compare two or more fractions? Friends, for comparing two fractions, I discussed in previous videos. Now, in this chapter, mainly I discussed how will you compare more than two fractions. So now, first of all, know like and unlike fraction. Friends, like fractions are those fractions having same denominator. Like fractions are those fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. Here, like fractions. Two or more fractions are said to be like fractions if they have the same or equal denominator. Here are friends, for example, 5 by 9, 3 by 9, 7 by 9, 12 by 9, 8 by 9. All of these here, all of these are fractions, and all fractions having denominator 9. So all of these are like fraction. So you can easily define now unlike fraction. Unlike fractions means fractions having different denominator. That means whose denominators are different. Suppose here like unlike fractions. Two or more fractions are said to be unlike fractions if the denominator be different. For example, students, here I write 3 upon 4, 4 upon 9, 7 upon 8, 2 upon 11, 13 upon 15. Here students, observe all of these having different denominator. For checking like and unlike fractions, we have to only notice denominators of the fraction. Not if, suppose here I write 3 by 8 and here write 3 by 9, 3 by 7. Friends, all of these having different denominator but same numerator, equal numerator. But here all of these are also unlike fraction. That means unlike fractions are those fractions having different denominators. Here all of these are unlike fractions. So clear, students? Like and unlike fractions. Now I am going to discuss here how will you change unlike fraction into like fraction? Here, change unlike fraction into like fraction. For changing unlike fraction into like fraction, first of all, find the LCM of denominator. Suppose here, take an example. Change here, I write change the following fractions into like fraction. Suppose I write here 2 by 3, 4 by 9, 7 by 12, 7 by 12 and 13 by 24. Here friends, I write 4 fractions. To change all of these are unlike fractions because all of these having different denominator. Here denominator is 3, here denominator is 4, here denominator is 12 and 24. So first of all, find LCM of all the denominators 3, 9, 12 and 24. Students, here 3, 9, 12 and 24. Here 3 times 1, 3, 4 and 8. After that, here 2 times 1, 3, 2, 4. Again 2 times 1, 3, 1, 2. Now students, multiply. Here LCM is equal to 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12 and 12 3 the 12 3 the 36 and 72. Here LCM is 72. First of all, write LCM for all of these. Here LCM is 72. All of this LCM is 72. And after that, you divide the LCM by first denominator. When you divide 72 by 3, you will get quotient 24. 24 you multiply by it. When you multiply, that means here 2 into 24, comma. Again you divide 72 by 9. So 8 times, here 4 into 8. Numerator multiply it, quotient. Here divide 72 by 12. 6 times 7 into 6, comma. Again divide 72 by 24 3 times and 13 into 3. After that, here you write 48 by 72, comma. Here 32 upon 72. Now 42 upon 72. Now 39 on 72. Here students, this is the equivalent of this. 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 That means all of this, and here observe all of these fractions having same denominator 72. So all of these are like fraction. Here this is the like fraction. That means similarly you can change another fractions into unlike fractions. Friends, I give you a question and you solve this question by self. No, I will here discuss this question. Change the following fractions into like fraction. Here I write 4 by 5, 3 by 8, 2 by 5, 7 by 10. Here I write, students, some fractions and you have to change into like fraction. All of these are unlike fraction. So you have to change unlike fraction into like fraction by self. And if you solve, then solve and send me your answer on my WhatsApp number. So students, now I am going to discuss here. Here I discuss how will you change unlike fraction into like fraction. Now I am going to here discuss comparison of fractions. Students, comparison of two fractions I discussed in previous videos. If you didn't watch that video, then you can watch the video after completely watching this video. Go in description box and click the link given below. So students, now here next topic you have to learn how will you arrange the number. That means comparison of more than two integers or two fractions. Students, suppose here this fractions is written and you have to compare which fraction is larger. Students, first of all, change the unlike fractions into like fraction. To comparison of fractions, first of all the fractions be in like fraction. Students, and you already learned how will you change unlike fractions into like fraction. Students, if you have given, here I write 3 by 5, 7 by 5 and 2 by 5. Here you have to compare which fraction is a smaller, larger. So first of all, do it's in like fraction. Here already it is in like fraction. So here a smallest numerator fraction is a smallest. Here 2 is the smallest. So 2 by 5 is less than, and after that 3 by 5, and after that 7 by 5. This is the arrangement of the fractions into ascending order. So students, similarly students, when you have given unlike fractions, then first of all change unlike fractions into like fraction, and you have know the method to change unlike fraction into like fraction. Now students, we have to arrange these fractions here that I discussed. Change the fractions. Here we have to arrange. Here I write the question: arrange the fractions into ascending order. Here students, we have to arrange the fractions into ascending order. That means first of all find which fraction is smaller and which fraction is larger. For finding larger and smaller fractions, more than two fractions, first of all find the LCM. That means first of all change unlike fractions into like fractions, and here I change the like fractions into unlike fractions. Here all of these are like fraction. After that student, here this fraction is written for 2 by 3, this fraction is written for 4 by 9, this fraction is written for 7 by 12, and this fraction is written for 13 by 24. So students, here observe which numerator is the smallest. Here a smallest numerator is 32 by 72. Here all of these having same denominator 72. So which numerator is a smaller, then that fraction is a smaller. So its fraction here you can write in ascending order. Here 72 32, and 32 is written for 4 by 9. Here students, 4 by 9 is less than, after that 39, and 39 by 72 is written for this. So after that 13 by 24. After that 42 by 72, and 42 by 72 is written for 7 by 12. So students, after that 7 by 12, and after that 48 by 72, that means 2 by 3. Students, this is the arrangement in ascending order. You can also arrange this type of fraction into descending order. You know, for arranging descending order, first of all write the largest, greatest fraction. So if you have to arrange the fractions into descending order, so first of all, similarly here 2 by 3 is greater than 72, so 7 by 12 is greater than 13 by 24. After that here 4 by 9. This arrangement is in descending order. Students, here I discussed like fractions, unlike fractions, how will you change unlike fraction into like fractions, and how will you arrange the fractions into ascending order or descending order. Students, I think you will complete your exercise 5D after complete watching this video. That's all. Thank you.